Hey, dirt bike. Fucking run into that car. Guys, it's a little overcast today. We've already got the goggles on the arm because I'm just not liking the way that they're looking right now. It's too overcast. Goggles aren't good in overcast weather, I guess. High five? Guys, I can't think when I'm blasting this music. Literally can't think at all. I think it's gonna rain. That's a cool color. I like that color. Alrighty. Well, holy shit, how many freaking bicycles are there? A lot of bicycles out today, I guess. Oh man, the air is just drying out my contacts. I felt like they're about to fall out. Yeah, let's not cut this guy off. Oh, that scared me. Let's not get hit by cars too. That's always a good plan. Whole bridge. Let's do the whole bridge. Ah, I fucked it up. Damn it. Damn it to hell. I'm sorry I let you guys down. Way too wet for that. That is for certain. I would totally just spin out there. Well, that didn't go as to plan. Holy shit. Yeah, these are IRC tires, if you guys can't tell. Sorry if you guys find my videos boring because I just go to the same 4 spots. Oh well. Wheelies are getting way better. Let's try a little first gear wheelie. See how it feels. Dude, it's so much choppier. Honestly, scary. You need a lot better control to do that. That's enough of this little lot. We got a car behind us, but we'll be okay. They can wait. We almost got it. We almost got it, guys. We can try again. Let's spin around and try again. Why the hell not? Fucking hell, I keep fucking up. Sorry guys, I did like half and half. Just creating havoc out here. That's why I should be sponsored by Havoc goggles. That's my pitch. Oh, what the fuck? Is that a beaver? A little beaver. All right, we got some good music going. We'll let these cars go by. Then we're gonna wheelie the bridge. Oh, those guys are gonna have to wait. Let's go visor down for the air. What the fuck, bro? I'm getting like a mental block for this bridge. We're doing it again. There we go. Fuck me. I'm over it. I'm over it. I honestly kind of forget what's up here. Look at all that traffic. That guy was just throwing litter out his fucking window. Yo, it must be like seed season for the trees because, bro, it smells like you know what right now. All the little saplings. Okay, I lied. I kind of know this place. There's the horses up here. Yeah. Nice straight road, actually. For some dropbacks. Look at the horses. I won't stay too long. I don't want to upset them. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right, let's go this way. Oh, you know what? I actually slammed my bike on these stairs before. Yes, I did. Oh, and I just did it again. That's why you put on a skid plate, right? Dude, those are steep stairs. Ain't no way we're getting up those things. Doo-doo-doo. iHeartMedia. Yeah, that's a very fake. Oh no. Yeah, it's fake Crom. It's an electric one. Just more parking lots. I love it, like slowing it down and just like keeping it extra quiet. Just makes me feel good. Makes me know that I'm not like redlining it. Like that. Get it right up to balance. Smooth. Guys, just listen to these backfires. Ready? Oh, we got a green light.